Let's drive a bit. Let's do 100. Can I do this here? Nobody there. Let's do full. And go. Oh god, that's weak. Nah. Not very good. Acceleration. But I got a number. That's important. I mean, it's still good, but it's not Tesla I-Pace level. Stupid self-driving feature. Yeah, region is way too weak. Because now car charging, I'm at 77%, so that's a good number. The camp battery is not full. Regen should be good, and I have the regen in the biggest setting, and regen is not very good. And you touch the brake, you get more regen, it's better, but still. Yeah. What's this? Driver assist. Oh, green. Okay, let's get the battery down a bit. I wanna drive. I'm gonna drive a bit more sporty. This time. Let's see. Wanna get the battery down to 10% or something so I can do the full charging thing. I would love that. Yeah, the boost is a special button in the accelerator pedal when you have to press hard, not just a bit. It's really hard. Here and drive home and get the battery as empty as possible somehow. Somehow car charging 73. It'll never go down. I have the heat on the whole time. AC is on. Ooh. I didn't do that. Because it's stupid auto. I don't want auto. I tell you what to do. Yeah, I'm going out here and drive country road. It's okay. Steering wheel is harsh. So how do I go? I will go left. Drive a bit. Have a bit of fun with this thing. There we go. It can be fun. These over. Let's drive. Woohoo! most inefficient driving ever. What do you have a smell in here from like a perfume? What's happening? Is it from the AC? That's weird. Let's go. Yeah, it's a heavy car. Braking is nice though, I have to say. Going off the accelerator is a bit uncomfortable, but that's okay too. It gives you a sporty feel. I hate when self-driving comes in and does it itself, even though I turned it off, but it doesn't care. Let's go a bit. Country road madness. Yeah, the boost, it's not that much difference. Oh god, Jesus, brakes are crap. Oh god, the car is heavy. 2.5 tons, 2,490 kilos. Jesus, I thought the car wouldn't brake. Stop me. It's not 30 here. Jesus, almost killed me. Yeah, I don't like it. This is not my car at all. It's not agile. Oh, and it steers itself without, even though I turn it off. It scares the crap out of me. Now I'm getting mad. This is a crappy car. It's horrible. Oh. Can't drive a bit faster because the brakes are weak. What's going on? Well, let's brake. I want to see. It can't be. So. It's a stupid car. It's unstable and on full it's an auto steer like the Kona, but it feels worse. Yeah. Okay. I know that now. It's not a car I like at all. Good. I always try to be, how you say that, have no opinion about the car and just tell you what I feel and see, but nah. This is crap. I'm sorry, I don't like it at all. This is a stupid car. Oh, it's way too big, high consumption, not stable, it's fast, it's okay, but the speed doesn't feel nice. The only good thing about this stupid auto steer, stop it. Turn it off. This is not the car for me at all. It's possible I bring it back earlier. It's stupid. Oh, that would be mean. Can't see anything. You are, yes, and you are, and you are. Anyways. Yeah, it's no fun driving this car. I have to say, Kona was fun. I-Pace, you can overdo it in the I-Pace, but it's not horrible. Yes, it's not perfectly stable like a Tesla. That was okay, but this, nah. It has good features, comfortable, quiet. If you're 60 years old and just want to be comfortable and safe, not drive fast. But why get electric car then? That's the most fun of an electric car. The acceleration feels awesome. And cornering, when you accelerate in corners, it's horrible. It's really horrible. Doesn't feel safe. Yeah, and brakes, you have to press amazingly hard to get full brake feel. Nah. I'm not happy at all. Ooh, that's nice though. In the navigation, it shows you your elevation, 410 meters. Stop steering yourself. Yeah, spit everywhere. I don't feel a difference if I press the boost or not. It's good acceleration, don't get me wrong. It's good, it's enough. It doesn't have to be more. It just, I don't know, it feels weird. And that boost thing, it's annoying. And that regen is not weak, is weak, and that you wobble around, and the steering feel and torque steer and all of this all together, it just isn't, not for an electric car, it's not the most pleasant feeling to drive. I'm just disappointed, and on top of that is the high consumption. If the drive feel, power, comfortability, how you say that, quietness, everything is there, and then it's just a high consumption, like the I-Pace. I-Pace has high consumption, but everything else was nice. I liked driving it. It was fun. This is not fun. Not at all. Not at all. Okay. Boost. Not boost. No difference! I don't see a difference. I don't feel any difference if the boost is on or not. It shows me boost, but I don't feel anything. Cranky now. Oh god. Yeah, I'm mean.